In today's video, I will show you how to make $600 each day by watching YouTube videos, which is a brand new way to get free PayPal money this year. How do you do it? We will find out soon enough. So firstly, grab your phone first, then view a small YouTube movie by pushing the play button, and finally, cash out your money using various payment methods such as PayPal. You can earn up to $3 for watching a single video, which means that for every 20 videos you watch, you will be paid $60. And if you watch 200 videos per day, you will be paid $600. This is a simple and completely free method for beginners, and you don't have to pay anything to make money online like this. The best aspect about this approach is that it is available globally, so you can make money no matter where you are, and you can start right now. I'll show you how to use it and tell you which movies to watch to make the most money possible. Now, before I tell you how to do it, let me explain how you can do it. Leave a comment below telling me where you're from so that I can make sure that every video I make in the future is appropriate for your country. Before we get into this fresh new material, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day. So make sure you complete watching the video and remain tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. As you can see, this YouTube video is a little over a minute long. When you watch films like this, you will earn $3. You can view videos like this on your phone or on your computer. So first, I want you to go to this website, which is completely free and requires no investment to get started. You may earn money from this website by doing surveys, playing games, and watching movies, among other things. So this website is called gg2u.org. As you can see here, you can earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. This website's exciting new rewards program will give you gg2u coins for doing very easy things like trying out new games and answering quick survey questions. Another thing you could do on this website is their referral program. You can see here, you can also earn extra money by promoting gg2u. Refer your friends, teammates, classmates, viewers, and followers to gg2u. And every time we send them a payout or gift card, we will credit your account with 5% of the money for every referral forever. However, we will not be focusing on their referral program, but rather we will concentrate on viewing videos because it is the easiest and most lucrative thing we can do on this website. The best part about this website is that you will get a $1 bonus if you sign up for an account. To do so, simply enter your first name, email address, and username, then establish a password. And then go to the nation section and click on this drop-down arrow right here to see that they welcome people from all over the world. So it doesn't matter where you're from, you can get started right now and make a lot of money online. So once you've completed that, click on this box right here after reading the privacy policy and membership agreement, and then just hit the sign up button. This website offers a variety of payment alternatives, but I strongly advise you to use PayPal. This website provides several options for you to make money online. The best part is that it has extremely high payout rates. You can read here that you may earn up to 65 to 85%, which is significantly more than other companies that only provide 40 to 60%. So once you've completed your registration, they'll direct you to this website where they'll credit you $1 for every 100 points you earn. Once you've reached $7, you can immediately cash out your money via PayPal, Bitcoin, or e-gift cards. To continue, scroll down here and click this button right here. Once you've done that, you will be able to log into your account. You can see here that they offered me $1 as a sign-up bonus, and you can also see here the earning potential that you can obtain by performing the offers. You may look in this part to see the companies that have offers that you can do on this website. These are some of the top firms in the world that are completely legitimate, so you can do these offers and make a lot of money. But as I previously stated, we will be focused on viewing YouTube videos because it is the most profitable and easiest thing to do. Keep in mind that some of the deals are only accessible for a short time, so take advantage of them as soon as possible. And if you love this video, please like and share it with your friends by clicking the red subscribe button and leaving a comment down below. I would be grateful if you enjoyed it and subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment. And if we get 1,000 comments in this video saying, "I am going to make money today," we will release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. If this video gets 2,000 likes, we will release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So with that said, it's time to get back to work and earn some money. To make money by viewing videos, go to this area right here where it says videos and click on it. This will lead you to this page where you can see that for every 200 points you score, you will receive a silver token that will add $1 to $3 to your account amount. What I enjoy about it is that you can view a variety of videos including food, music, viral videos, gaming videos, and so on. So all you have to do now is click on this button right here, which will lead you to this website where you can view the video. As you can see, the video is just over a minute long, and the greatest thing is that you're going to get $1 to $3 just for watching it. Now, as promised, here are some additional suggestions for you, my loyal viewers and subscribers. Watch all of the videos from all of the categories at the same time. To do so, open all of your browsers in new tabs and view all of the accessible videos from food to music to viral gaming and all other relevant categories at the same time. It is much better if you have many devices, so if you have other phones and computers, you can view the videos on all of them at once. This is where you can make more money since you don't have to watch the videos. You can just leave them running in the background while you do whatever else you want or need to do, and you are already making money. Okay, that concludes today's tutorial. If you made it this far, know that you will begin to make money if you decide to take action. Don't allow your emotions to dominate you. Get up and start doing what I showed you in this video. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.